Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to block adult websites on your Android phone. Firstly, open the settings on your Android phone, then select Apps and Notifications. Scroll down, then tap Advanced. Tap Default App and select Chrome as your default browser. Open Chrome, then tap on the three dots menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then enable Safe Browsing to filter explicit websites. Just note that SafeSearch may not block all adult content and tech-savvy users can bypass it. And if this method is not convenient enough for you, you can enable parental controls on Google Play. Go to Settings, Family, Parental Controls, toggle Parental Controls on and create a PIN. Set age restriction to block inappropriate apps and content. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.